Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of February. We have both the bags here. If you guys want to know how to subscribe to Ipsy, I'm gonna have all of that good information listed down below. We're strictly gonna get diving right into this because I really want to see what's inside this month's bag. So if you guys want to see what's in both of my Ipsy bags, then just keep watching. If you guys notice, which I'm going to make it more obvious now that I'm mentioning it to you guys, but yeah, I totally scratched myself. I had a scratch and I must have dug my nails pretty deep right there, so I apologize. Not very attractive, but oh well. So here is this month's bag, you guys. I must say that I actually like this month's bag so much. It's probably one of my favorite bags, and those have been far few in between. I must say last month's bag, I just did not like it at all. It was not my style. So they definitely made up for making something very classy and elegant. And this is something I would totally wear, like actually going out with like my girlfriends or my husband or something. You could like just, you know, use it as a clutch. I don't know. I definitely would, but yeah, I really like it. I'm digging it. So the very first item I have in the bag is a box, and this here is, what does it say? This here is Luna by Luna, and it is a highlighter. I've actually never heard of this brand, so I'm very interested to see what it's like. Okay, so I'm not sure how I feel about it as a highlighter. It's a little too peachy toned for my personal taste. I like more of a gold tone, but I will say that I think if you mixed it, it would look really pretty. Or if this is not really your thing, it would definitely look really pretty as like a lid shade on your eyes. Ooh. So the next thing I got in here is a brush. This here is the Luxie 249. When I see this brush, I immediately think of like the perfect brush to nose contour because it's got that flat side where you can kind of chisel it out and then blend it out. But you obviously don't have to use it that way. I just look at it and I'm like, ooh, like that's going to be perfect to blend out my nose contour because I've been looking for a brush. I know Luxie makes one that is specifically for nose contour, although this is free. Well, not free, it's 10 bucks, but came in my bag, so now I have one. So I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm excited. I love, love, love Luxie brushes. You guys, I must say, I'm pretty excited about my bag so far. This here is by Naked Cosmetics. It is their Vanilla Cream Lip Scrub. Ooh, I think I got a lip scrub last month too in my bag, and I actually do use it. Which one? This one here. The Lipgasm one. It's really good, by Trust Fund Beauty. Very abrasive, but I will say that it's really soft, you guys. This is nice. I like this. The next thing I have in here is by Marsk, Sydney, London, and this here is a foiled again loose eyeshadow, I assume. Yeah, okay. It is so beautiful. I am very impressed with that. It's got a lot of sparkle in it, so it's definitely going to be something where if you put it on the lid, you're going to want to put on a glitter glue. That way throughout the day, it's not going to like fall all the glitter like on your face, and then you're just going to look like a big old disco ball. This here is the Fully Charged Mascara by Pure Cosmetics. Ooh, nice fat wand. Definitely something I would use. Yes, this is my kind of wand, fluffy and thick. That there is my bag. I'm loving my bag, you guys. Like, everything in here is something I would definitely use. I can honestly say that I don't remember the last time I said that about my entire bag. Like, I really like this month's bag. So, now that we're done with that bag, let's move into the next bag. So here is the second bag. It's the exact same design as my bag. So the next thing I see in here is this little yellow thing. What is this? This is by the company Bubble Tea Macaroon Lip Balm. This is in lemongrass and green tea. How adorable, you guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it smells really good. So the next thing I have here is wrapped in bubble wrap. And this here is a Pacifica palette of some sort. And this is called Beach Crystals Natural Mineral Eyeshadow. Look at that. Do you guys see this? It's got purple in it. If you guys watch my tutorials, then you guys know I'm a die-hard fan of the shade purple. I love using purples for just about any opportunity I can. This is definitely a palette that I could see myself like in high school using because it's not really like intense, and I could see my mom like not being mad because she would never let me wear like any dark eyeshadows. It was always have to be like really soft and very feminine, and this is a really soft and feminine palette in my opinion. Plus the packaging is really cute too. It looks like my mom also got a brush just like I did. This is also the Luxie 249. I know that she's going to love that brush because she loves Luxie brushes as much as I do. And then we also have this Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. This is beautiful. Oh yeah. In case you guys were wondering, I just had lip liner on my lips, so this is definitely something right up my alley. Gotta let that dry for a second. Hold on. And then the very last thing in her bag, she also got the Pure Cosmetics mascara, which we already saw with my bag. So that is everything in her bag, you guys. I must say that both bags were really good. I want to know your guys' thoughts, and let me know if you guys liked your bag this month or if you guys didn't. I know last month I wasn't super excited about my bag, but this month I must say that I really liked just about everything that I got in my bag as well as my mom's bag. I think both bags were really great. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Before you head out, please make sure to subscribe down below. Otherwise, if you guys also want to follow me on social media, you guys know the drill. You guys can follow me at StepsBeauty05 for all my social media handles. And I will see you guys all in my next unboxing. Bye.